Introducing group sequential designs. Group sequential designs allow researchers to analyze data from an ongoing clinical trial and to stop the trial early if they find compelling evidence that a treatment is effective or ineffective. Now, in SATA 18, you can design group sequential trials with the new GS suite of commands for 1 and 2 sample mean tests, tests of proportions, log rank tests, or any user-defined test. Specify the significance level, power, and effect size. Then choose the types of stopping boundaries, their calculation methods, and the number of interim analyses. Optionally, graph the results to visualize the stopping boundaries. Learn more at stata.com.